If you are living in the state of Texas and your spouse is currently living in a different country, it is possible for you to get a divorce. We would have to look at your specific issue. Most importantly, has your spouse ever lived in the state of Texas? If you were both previously living here as a couple, you don't have to be married in the state of Texas, but if you had a marital home here in the state of Texas and you were living here as husband and wife at some point, and then they left, then the court would have what's called personal jurisdiction over your spouse, which means that we can file for divorce, we can have them served in the country that they're living in, and the court can start the process for divorce here in Texas. There are certain restrictions on what the court can do as it relates to property outside of the United States or outside of the state of Texas. But if the court has personal jurisdiction over your spouse, then you can get divorced. We can ask the court to divide certain property. We can ask for spousal maintenance. We can ask for child support and custody arrangements if the children are living here in the state of Texas with you. The most important thing, I think, when we get an international divorce issue like this, where one spouse is outside of the United States or outside of the state of Texas, is does the Texas court have personal jurisdiction over your spouse? If they do, then we can get you divorced, much like any other case, whether they're here in another state. It doesn't necessarily change how we get you divorced. The time is what we take into consideration because getting people served across the sea is pretty difficult. So I would say it's possible, but it just depends on the facts of your case and the certain circumstances that you're under in your case.